Who's afraid of Plymouth's Orange Monster? Wow. That's awesome. That's awesome. Alright. So this Plymouth Fury has a 440 Tribute Max Wedge built and dyno tested engine. For the transmission, looks like we got a 18 spline A833 4-speed with overdrive gear set by Passon Performance. The rear end 8 3/4 with 391 gears, track, Locksure grip, and Moser axles. Phenomenal. Body and paint by Boot Hill Automotive in Erin, Ontario. Chrome by Cambridge Chrome, all the way in Laval, Quebec. Interior by Legendary, installed by a diamond trim from Aurora, Ontario. Powder and ceramic coatings by Lambden Coatings in Sarnia, Ontario. This is assembled by the owners, and this is quite the clean machine. Looks like just rolled out the showroom floor. Not bad. 426. It says. I guess the original motor was a 440. Or I don't know. But wow. Pretty good. Pretty